That's something.
You were the hungry one. You haven't had anything to eat? Oh dear. Whoops. Let me feed you properly.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
He's huge. His head probably weighs half my body weight. Huge.
So gentle though.
Yeah. He's just enormous. You can...
Feed this one.
Have to feed the giraffe.
Yes, you can now. It's a special feeding time now. Not usually. This big one up here, look, is hungry. It's got his eye on you, look.
That's... I almost don't want to do it.
Where you go. Doesn't want to be petted.
Cool.
You can hold it up and give it to him.
We do this all day, you're never going to fill him up.
Oh, that's thrown up there.
Okay, I don't know if I want to do that. Alright, there you go. Marjorie? Here.
You can sit in another spot.
Oh, I thought I'd seen you before.
You have.
Trying
You
to
have.
see.
I'm Ethan.
I found somebody who we know.
Ethan wants it. Hold it up. Hold it up. There you go. He wants it, didn't he?
Anybody want any more?
No thanks.
Oh, gosh.
He does.
I really...
He does.
I don't...
You can wash your hands afterwards. I've got a stick down here.
Okay.
I'll give you one if you don't want to.
Help giraffe steer.
Audrey, there's a carrot to give him.
Help giraffe steer.
Yeah, but there he is. Do you want to take one of you, Chloe?
No, thanks.
No, no.
I thought about putting it on that lady's hood or something.
The hat might disappear then. Disagree. Oh, you need another one. It's pretty small.
Yeah, see, the other ones don't do it like